like to note, persons wishing to speak during public forum will have 4 minutes in which to address his or her topic.
Okay, ready? Okay, the first one is Deborah Rogers. The topic is jurisdiction.
Order.
Rocio, can you hear me? Can you turn this on?
Should just flip it up. Right up top. Make sure it's flipped up. Towards you.
Like that?
It's on. Towards you.
Oh,
It's on.
okay.
The button.
I hear now. Okay, thank you. Good morning, council. My topic today is jurisdiction because, as we're all aware, there has been some chatter in the public regarding the Cherokee Nation of Oklahoma's jurisdiction compared to the United Catawba's jurisdiction. And as a person who has been involved in the Cherokee Nation courts, so I've had to take the time to study and learn myself exactly what jurisdiction is, how many different aspects of jurisdiction and everything. But whenever I learned that the Cherokee Nation is telling lies regarding the UKB Lighthorse, I had to speak out because it's total lies. And I put in front of each one of you a copy of the Oklahoma statute, Title 21, Crimes and Punishment, Section 21-99A, Authority of Peace Officers. And I highlighted Section D, I'll read it. A Bureau of Indian Affairs law enforcement officer or a tribal law enforcement officer of a federally recognized Indian tribe who has been commissioned by the Federal Bureau of Indian Affairs and has been certified by the Council on Law Enforcement Education and Training, otherwise known as CLEAT, shall means that you will have state police powers to enforce state laws on fee land purchased by a federally recognized American Indian tribe or in Indian country as defined in Section 1151 of Title 18 of the USC or United States Code, which if you flip your paper over, that definition is on the back. There's also a website at the top in which a person can go and review that statute themselves, and on the back is also a website in order to look at the definition of Indian country. And at the bottom is the Secretary of State of Oklahoma, and if you look on that website, you can find the cross-deputization agreements in which the Cherokee Nation has involved themselves with among many different entities throughout Oklahoma. However, I find personally that the city of Tahlequah is responsible for the safety of the public, and they are denying us that when they denied a cross-deputization agreement with the United Catawba. And this is not on the United Catawba, this is on Tahlequah City themselves for denying the United Catawba a cross-deputization agreement. And that is what I want to say. Any questions?
I also brought forth the criminal code that mirrors the state code. Cherokee Nation of Oklahoma's criminal code mirrors the state code right here. So according to their own state codes, we have criminal jurisdiction because we are BIA certified.
I understand that, but Cherokee Nation should not even be involved in this. This was a non-Indian.
Yeah, well, I'm just saying that
Yeah,
we have jurisdiction
exactly.
according to the law.
According to Oklahoma statute
And-
regarding non-Indians, yes,
And according to their own statute.
yes,
That's what I'm saying.
yes. So if a judge wants to deny what is plainly written for the common man to understand, I have a problem with that. And I hope everyone else does too.
We certainly thank you for your comment. on that, and no doubt about it, we're going to go forward and practice our sovereignty as we go forward as well. Thank you, Deborah.
Thank you.
Next, Honorary Locus, what does it mean? Supreme Governing, I don't know what that.
You know, not everybody got one.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is there enough for everybody? I would like to jump on this one thing Deborah said about, I think one of their judges even had a dismissed DUI case, so they might have been causing harm to their, to their own tribe. So everybody get a copy?
Early on, and thank you, Deborah, again. I'm announcing that our rebuttal to the Chuck Hoskin Chief Coroner is on the webpage. Our sovereignty has always been under attack. If not by individuals just south of us, it's been attacked throughout the states. There are folks out there that claim to be Cherokee, state-recognized tribes, and so on, and other tribes and groups that claim to be Cherokee. And of course, we know that there are only 3 federally recognized tribes at this time. The attack on our sovereignty generally has been one of verbal. For example, in 1979, we were first announced, when we were announced as a federally recognized tribe in the Federal Register, there was some that identified that that can't be. We are a dormant tribe. We have no meetings. And everybody knows we are a secretive tribe. We held our meetings by campfire and light and so on, and they didn't really know. They were angry that, of course, we had federal recognition. And there's others that attack our sovereignty by saying things like, your taxpayers' dollars would be better spent if you did not fund the gratuitous purchased and referred care. So, we're going to take that. We're going to practice our sovereignty. We're going to go forward, with or without. And then hopefully when we cross that end zone, they'll be on the other side with us, cheering and yelling us on as well. It's too bad that because of land, money, federal program dollars, and of course blood quantum, that people can't understand who we are and that we are struggling, we are starving, that, hey, we're a federally recognized tribe. We're eligible for those programs. That the Thomas Rogers Act guaranteed or allowed that bands or groups of American Indians, Native Americans could group together, and if they wanted to, they could file under Section 3 of the Act and become a federally recognized tribe, and I'll be doggone. Here we are today. Veterans. How many veterans are in the audience today? I salute you. Thank you for your service.